Hey, what's up? This is Duttyberry and... Hey, what's up? This is Duttyberry and this is...
We're okay. Hey guys, it's your girl Keeping Up with Jenny Wampin.
And just reminding you that, you need to get ready for a brand new Social House review because this is the baddest review show out right now, right?
Period.
Like full stop period. Like you cannot compete when you
don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Yeah, man. So just look out for it and to follow. There's a playlist now, so you can actually go and watch all of the Social House reviews on the Duttyberry Show channel.
Yes.
And make sure you go and go follow Keeping Up with Janelle on all our social
Say
media.
it with more excitement. Don't do that.
And make sure you go and go follow Janelle on our social media because the girl go on a bag of things. She is never not keeping up with nothing. She always have something and go on because the girl is a renowned actress and all of these things. So you better put some respect on her name because the girl is not new to this. She is true to this. She's about that life. Okay? Is that good enough?
Yeah, man. Thank
all
you.
right, cool. All right, bye, people, because I know my energy done.
Yeah, bye.